And WTM is very important for us because Europe market is the largest market as far as international tourists is concerned for Kerala. Last year we have received more than 9.5 lakh people, out of which 55% came from Europe. And after Germany, England is the biggest market for us. So we would like to strengthen our existing market here as a part of our promotional activities. Luxury segment is very important. We have more than 10 years back, if you see Kerala 5-star hotels, the infrastructure related to 5-star and the luxury segment, it was less than 5-star hotels were there. Now we have more than 25 number of 5-star hotels. Taj, for example, it has got 9 resorts there, and other major companies have already come in, and next within 2 years itself we are going to see more than 10 5-star hotels being ready. Yes, we have received the PATA award yesterday, and the Secretary General UNWTO was also there. This award is very, very important for us, very significant at this time. This year we have declared as Visit Kerala year, and part of that we have received this award and very happy about it. And this award is related to responsible tourism. This is an initiative which Kerala has taken, and in a place called Thekadi, it's a mountain area. The objective of this responsible tourism is to involve the local bodies. The local bodies are engaged with the international and domestic tourists. They live with them, they prepare local cuisine, and the international tourists, they participate with the locals in all the cultural activities. So they mingle and become a part of the social life. So they spend minimum 15 to 20 days with the local people, and they come back again and again. So we are making the entire society responsible to take care of the national as well as domestic tourists. Oh yes, see, boat race is one of the major products of Kerala, along with beaches and backwaters and Ayurveda. So you don't find this long boat where more than 100 people are rowing the boat. So this is very significant, and this product we wanted to market to the international audience. So that is the part why we are keeping boats here. And this boat race, which we are having only one major boat race, which is called as Nehru boat race, which happens in the second week of August every year. Now we would like to have more boat races. We would like to have minimum 6 boat races of similar scale. So spreading across the season, starting from August, September to March and April. Yeah.